Assuming you've already set up a database and a domain to host your Drupal site, it's fairly easy to install. We're going to be using the quick install for developers. I've gone ahead and SSH'd into my DreamHost account, and I'm going to use the wget command to get the latest version of Drupal 6. Drupal 7 is out, but I'm going to make use of 6 for now because there's some things I want to use that are 6 related. I'm going to get the tarball, which is a bit like a zip file if you're used to PCs, but much more widely used on Unix type systems. And to use it, I need to untar it, and you'll see here's the command for untarring it, and I'm just copying and pasting it into SSH 6.10.tar.gz. When I do that, it'll unpack all of that stuff into a folder, into a directory called Drupal 6.10. My web root for my domain is, if you'll see here, dev.aoir.org. On DreamHost, that's also the name of the web root. So I'm going to go ahead and actually remove that file for now, dev.aoir.org. And then I'm going to move everything that's in Drupal 6.0 into that directory so that it's now visible on the web at that web root. I'm going to go ahead and change into that directory. And I'll take a look and see what's there, and I'll go into sites and into default. Now I'm going to copy the default settings into just a new settings. Oops, I should spell it right. And then I'm going to make that file writable changing it to 777. And then if I go up one directory, I'm also going to make the default directory writable. Alright, now I can go to my browser and I can go to the site and go ahead and tell it to install Drupal in English. I have all that information right here. My database name is AOIR v3. My database username is AOIR v3. And my database password is nothing special. And it complains because I'm on DreamHost and I have to do advanced options and tell that it's not at localhost but rather at mysql.aoir.org. The rest of these are fine. And now it asks for my site name, which we will call Association of Internet Researchers, and the site email address. Then it needs an administrator account and a password for that account. And one more time for the password. And it asks for the time zone for the default time zone for the server, whether we want clean URLs, which we do, whether we want it to check for updates. And it's done.